Welcome to Elastic Bytes episode 5. Today we shall learn about Elastic and Kibana setup using Docker Compose. So let me share my screen real quick. So we will try to set up a single node cluster with Docker. Okay. So what is a Docker? Docker is a container orchestrated tool. It helps us to run containers and in order to deploy application. So earlier when our mentors used to tell, right, around 2000, 2015, 2010, like that, they're like 2010, those times. So when we are fresh out of college, they used to tell we should be strong at one programming language and one database. Nowadays, in the container orchestration, container world, see, uh, these applications are sliced into a microservice. These microservices is deployed into a container. Like deploying and maintenance part, this Docker container tools will help us to perform better and in order to host those microservices in AWS, Azure, or Google Compute Engine, any cloud provider. So a Docker and K8 is the uh, must known tools nowadays, I would say. Please make sure to leverage those tools. If you get a chance, please go through it. So let us discuss about the Docker Compose file. So Docker Compose file is helps us to create uh, containers, multiple containers on the fly. So here we call the services. Elasticsearch is the service name. We are trying to pull Elastic official image with the latest version from the Docker Hub. We are assigning a name for the container. We are assigning a network for the container called Elastic. We are publishing the ports 9200 and 9300. We are assigning environment property discovery.type is equals to single node, and we are mounting the disk. USR share Elasticsearch data is the data location of the Elasticsearch container, and we are mounting to sample elastic underscore data. Okay, coming to Kibana. So Kibana service, we are pulling the image from the official Docker Hub with the latest version. Same, we are assigning the container name. We are assigning the network. We are publishing the ports 5601 and the extended mount. So this is the data directory USR share Kibana data. We are assigning in Kibana data networks Elastic. So here Elastic network will be created. Earlier I created a couple of, let me delete this. So it will be cached, that's why. Okay, Docker compose up -d is the detached mode. See, sample elastic network, Kibana, container Elasticsearch started. Okay, let's check whether the containers are running. Yes, they are running, right? Let's see. So once the containers are up and running, we need to make use of these commands. Like first we need to reset the Elastic user password. This is the command which helps us to uh, enter into the Elastic container, and we are trying to reset the Elastic password. So this is the new password. Let's keep it aside. Next, we are trying to generate the enrollment token. So it is also this enrollment token helps us to set up during the setup. So I will show you where it will. Sorry. So here it is asking us the enrollment token. So we need to pass this enrollment token. We need to continue it. So now it is asking about the verification code. So verification code we used to get from the Kibana container. Let's run this command. So this is the one-time process. Don't worry about it. 042665. Click on verify. So it is saving the settings, it is starting the Elasticsearch and it is about to complete the setup. So once the setup is done, it will take through us to the login screen. So let's type Elastic. For password, we need to paste this one. Fingers crossed. Couple of minutes, we will see this screen. So this is how we are able to set up using Docker. Let's go to DevTools. Get // it will give the cluster details. See, build type Docker. And let's create a small index. See, I will go through in detail in coming episodes. See, we're able to search, right? So we created an index and we injected one document and we are able to fetch that document. Let's see the external location, the indices. See, these are all small chunks. Okay. Here we are storing the data, here the state file. This is all about for today's episode. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.